Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Yadus were all experienced devotees, learned and expert in psychic study. Over and above this, they were always with the Lord in all kinds of relaxations, and still they were only able to know him as the one supreme who dwells everywhere. In the Vedas it is said that the Supreme Lord or the Paramatma cannot be understood simply by the strength of one's erudition or power of mental speculation. Nayam atma pravachanena labhyo na medhaya na bahuna shrutena. He can be known only by one who has the mercy of the Lord. The Yadavs were all exceptionally learned and experienced, but in spite of their knowing the Lord as the one who lives in everyone's heart, they could not understand that he is the original personality of Godhead. This lack of knowledge was not due to their insufficient erudition, it was due to their misfortune. In Vrindavan, however, the Lord was not even known as the Paramatma, because the residents of Vrindavan were pure unconventional devotees of the Lord, and could think of him only as their object of love. They did not know that he is the personality of Godhead. The Yadus, or the residents of Dvaraka, however, could know Lord Krishna as Vasudev, or the Super-Soul living everywhere, but not as the Supreme Lord. As scholars of the Vedas, they verified the Vedic hymns, Eko Deva. Sarvabhuta Divasa, Antaryami and Vrishninam Paradevata. The Yadus therefore accepted Lord Krishna as the Super-Soul incarnated in their family, and not more than that.